Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always coming to my channel to support me. God bless you all. So today I'm going to be decorating Power Rangers cake for one of my customers. This table is a bit filled up with stuff, so I'll show you what is on the table. So my cake is inside the freezer, so I just put it in the freezer. So I'm doing ganache, so that's the white chocolate. So I just put the first layout, so I put it in the freezer. So I didn't want to show that because the video is going to be long. So that's my cake board, and I'm going to cover it with this contact paper. So I won't show you the process when I'm covering this, guys, so because of the video, the length of the video. Yeah, so that's the Power Rangers. This is edible, so I'm going to put it on the cake. This is not edible, this is just prints that I just print out myself, so I didn't want to use edible because I'm going to decide this and also this. So I'm going to decide which one I'm going to put on the cake. So I will just cut them out. Have one. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to be using this. It's going to be too much on the cake, so there's no point cutting it out. But if I'm going to be using it, so I'll cut it out later. So I'll just leave that. I'm still deciding on this one because it looks a bit big, so I don't know if I will just cut it out and see. But I think I'm going to be using this instead. But yeah, okay, let me just cut it out and see. But it's a bit too big. I just need the red one, the middle one. Guys, I haven't been putting video lately on my channel because I'll be busy these days doing one or two things, so I'm going to update you guys later the reason why I've not been putting video and the reason I've been busy as well. So by God's grace, next month, so I'm going to update you guys, but I'll still be putting video one or two, but not frequent at the moment because I don't really have time. And I've missed a lot of videos from other YouTubers. I don't even know where to start, and I don't even really have time set for myself. So, but I will catch up later. I can't wait to come back like fully on YouTube. But yeah, guys, I've covered my cake, so I just said let me cover the board before I come back. And I've also cut this out, so that's how it is. I don't think I'm going to be using this. It's a bit too big. I'm putting this aside because I don't think I'm going to be using it. So I think I'm going to be using just this. Yeah. So I'm going to be putting it on this. Cut this out and put it there. So I'm going to first trace this out. To trace this out. I'm putting the numbers. I just added number one, so that I know that this is number one. That is it. So I'm going to trace them, cut them out now with my scissors. Yeah, I've done it. That's for this, that's for this, that's for this, and that's for this. So I'm going to use this to cover the back. This before sticking it. Use it to cover the back. So I'm going to pull it now. And that is it. That's the back. That's the back. So I'm going to yeah guys, the next thing is to put this on inside. That's the next thing, so that's it. First I have to put the hole. So that's it. I don't know if you can see it properly. So I'm going to be standing in on the cake, and this one as well in the middle. Okay guys, yeah, that is it guys. So that's the other one, that's the back. So I didn't want the carton, the back, I don't want it to show, so that's why I'm putting the contact paper cover it. So that's lollipop stick, I forgot to say it. I'm going to bring the cake out now and show you guys what I've done so far on the cake. That's the cake. So now I'm going to start to decorate it here in my den. I'm going to roll this. I have different color in here. I have green, I have yellow, this is red, and that's blue. That's it guys, I just want it to be 3D, so that's why I put it on top of fondant. So I'm going to stick it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's it, I'm done with it. So I didn't want the video to be very long. You guys saw the way I was doing the green, yellow. I was doing it on before putting this. Is just a square box black and fondant I colored with black, and I just cut it square and just put it around here. So that's it. Just writing the name. So I'm going to do sweet stamp, so that's what I'm going to use for the name. there now. It's on the board now, on the cake board. So I have my black metallic paint, so I'm going to paint inside with black. Guys, I'm done. Yeah, that's the cake. So that's it. So I'm going to be putting this now. I'm going to be putting this first. I'm done, guys, with the cake. So that is it. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. That is the cake. So that's the stamp writing I use, and that's the black color I used to paint inside the stamp writing. So tell me what you think about this cake. Tell me what you think. And that's the Power Rangers on top of the thing, the one I did first. So that is. So you can see the guys, the back of the carton, what do I call it? I don't even know. So you see I use the content paper to cover the back because I don't really like the back. So yeah, so that is it, guys.